Hi, this video will be a short demo for the Sophia Debugger that is recently released and integrated with the Sophia REPL. I will be showing a simple smart contract and I will demonstrate the debugger commands on this contract. The smart contract in this example has three entry points. The first entry point, called sum, returns the sum of integers up to n, and the second entry point, called factorial, returns the factorial of n, and the last entry point, called both, returns the sum of the results of the above two entry points. So at first, I will start the REPL as usual, and then I will load my contract from the file called c.aes. And then I will be creating an instance of this contract and will verify that this contract is working by calling the function both. Now I will set a couple of breakpoints, first at line 6 and second at line 15. Notice that in order to set a breakpoint, both the file name and the line number must be specified. Now I will call the function both again and use the location command to see where in the source code does the execution stop. And I should see that it stops at the second breakpoint at line 15. Then I will use the command continue to continue the execution to the next breakpoint, and will use the location command again, and I can see that the execution stopped at the first breakpoint at line 6. Now if I use continue again, the execution will stop at the exact same line, and that is because the function sum is a recursive function. I can see the stack trace by using the command bt, and I can notice that the function sum was called twice until this point, which is also an indicator of a recursive call. In order to resume the execution until the next line after outside of the current function, I can use the command step out, and then I can use the location command again to make sure that we have returned from the current function. Now I can try the command print var, which shows the value stored in some variable at the current step of execution, and the value stored in the variable s must be 10, which is the sum of integers between 1 and 4 inclusive. If I'm interested in a function call and there are no breakpoints in this function, I can use the command step in and it will take me to the first line of the function being called. Otherwise, the command step over will not go inside the function call and will treat the line as if there is no function call in it. Finally, I can use print var again to check the value stored in the variable f, and it should be 24, which is the factorial of 4. And then I can use the continue command and the call will return the result. And of course, there's the quit command, which ends the REPL session and will end this demo video as well.